So hi y'all. We gonna do, oh, forgot my mic. So we gonna do a haul of what I Goodwill find. So people be, I got two bags. So excuse my voice. I'm gonna say that for later. But people be sleeping on Goodwill. Like they be sleeping. Like sleeping real bad. You just gotta have time, you gotta have patience, and you gotta kind of have an idea of what you're looking for. So sometimes I don't have a set. Sorry, y'all, here you come. This is real and raw. I gotta get a set. Like sometimes I have like a set idea, or I just go in there and browse. So today I did browse. This was random. I wasn't looking for anything. I was just like, let me just start. So the first, because one thing about it, Michaela will save a coin, point blank, period. And yes, I do wash these items and wipe them down with a disinfectant wipe. So the first item I'm gonna show is these. Now we all know these are a collaboration with, I think, hold on, not very professional of me, but this is really raw. Let me just see what they're going for. Hold on. Salehi Bemberry. Yes. Yes. It's called the Croc Polex Slide. And on StockX, in the size that I got them in, they are a men's 11. I wear like a 10 and a half, which I don't mind going up in half sizes. Right now, I can show y'all. Let me turn mine. Right now, these are going for $90 something if you can't see. But I got these for $10. And if you think I'm lying, well, I don't think y'all lying. I don't know if you can see the label. But these were $10. Very satisfied. And I'm a sneaker and a slides girl. I'm not really a heels girl yet, but you know, to each his own. In this bag, I got which some of this has tags on it still. I have a New York and Company. This is like a thin, like, it's a stain on it, which it can come out. That's the only thing with Goodwill. You have to inspect. I didn't see this, but it's not a big deal for me. It's a stain. You can get that out with OxyClean. But I got this. This is so cute because it goes with the golf vibe, you know. So I don't mind that. I did get, which I only spent like $30, which is not bad for me. To me, I did get this bag. you know what it's inspired by. The lights maybe. But this is from Target. As you can see, A New Day, if you can see it. This is from A New Day. And somebody just cut the tag off, literally. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm fine with it. Don't worry, I am putting this stuff on my bed because I will be washing my bedding. And then got technically 3 more items, which I want to get through. So I found these. This is not a matching set. This is the Walmart brand, Aviva, I think. Yeah, and this is just like a little jogger pants. Tights might be tights for me because honestly, I'm not great with sizing somewhat, and that's a gamble too. Being plus size is just going to be a gamble, period. You may not find stuff you can try it on, but I'm just willing to take that L somewhat. And then I found the Viber jacket to go with those. And then the last thing that I found, I feel like everybody should have this in their arsenal. It still has tags on it. It's just a white men's button up. I love men's button ups for layering, as you can see. Sometimes I get it a size up because of the simple fact that I either want it oversized or I'm layering with it. So if I'm layering with it, then I get it oversized and just drape it. Or you could double this and wear this as a dress with some sandals, and you can roll the sleeves up. I've done that before. And this, as you can see, the tag is still up there. So 9 out of 10, maybe I'll wash this. To each its own, what you gonna do. But as you can see, it still has wrinkles in it. Like somebody took it off the hanger or took it out a shirt box. But that's all I got, honestly. Outside of that, I can say one other tip. As far as thrifting goes, kind of have a budget. Look at what the specials are. And what other tips that I could give? Check for stains. If it's something that you could think that you could get out, OxyClean, Persil, Shout. It's many stain removers that you could do. And that's it. You gotta let your wardrobe work for you, not work against you. So yes, I have a lot of clothes, but I'm stacking up for the spring and the summer. I'm stacking up on a budget with a lot of basics. This, if I would have found this regularly, let me just see, because I want to know myself. Let me just see. I'm just looking up. That shirt, that men's button up is $40. Okay. And even for the big and tall, yeah, it's $45. So 93 plus 45. This is regular price. 93 plus 45. And then the jacket It's regularly $25. And honey, when I tell you, just so y'all know, Google why you in Goodwill. Google why you in Goodwill. Because, and shop at different Goodwills. Because you can build the outfit on a budget. Like, these Walmarts, just in case y'all didn't know, those Aviva jackets on Walmart.com right now. Walmart.com, honey. Okay? Walmart.com is $11 from $25. So, if I was you, I would go to Walmart or Walmart online. Don't sleep on the online. And some of them actually is $9. Okay? Don't sleep. If y'all don't believe me, those jackets are good. Those jackets are good workout jackets and also good layering jackets. Look, I'm telling you. I am telling you. Y'all think I'm lying. $9. Okay, the black one is $10.50. And Walmart.com has more sizes. So, yeah. And the pants is probably the same thing. So, if you calculate that total, regularly 40 plus 93 plus 25 for the jacket, regular price, plus the pants. Plus the joggers. Oh, they $20. $20. And then that bag from Target. Plus 40. $218. $218. And if y'all think I'm lying, sorry, y'all, I'm trying to get a receipt. If y'all think I'm lying, hopefully it doesn't show it. With tax, 35.11. One thing about it, honey, Michaela will find a deal. Baby girl, trust and believe. Shop your Goodwill, honey. I ain't too ashamed to say it. Shop it. Shop it. Okay? But be mindful of what you buy. Be mindful what you don't have in your closet. And be mindful of how you can wear it multiple ways. But that's all, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to see. Yeah. And I don't just shop for clothes. I shop for shoes. As you can see, I shop for bags. I shop for whatever. So, dang, Mom recording.